What's up, guys? Cole Andy here, and today's video is going to be about my air horn or train horn on my tractor. It's the Klein by Klein. It's model 6126. Very happy with the horn and everything. So yeah, let's get into it. So the horn itself is a chrome. There's two of them. And as you can see from the packaging, same thing. The compressor is a little different than that, but same 12-volt compressor. So what came in the box was the compressor, the air hose, some brackets, and the horns. That's it. I had to go out and get wires for it, and a button. There was not a button that came with it. So to go out and get a button for it. Button works fine. So I got the air horns for about $55. The wiring was about $5, so in total $60. I don't really think that's a lot, because I haven't seen anyone on YouTube put like an air horn or a train horn on their tractor. So I guess I'm ahead of everyone, I think. So, how I installed the horn, well, the horn and everything, I first bracketed it, put it on my tractor and everything. I then put the compressor right above my battery, so it would be easier and all that. This is the air hose that came with it. I think it should have been a little longer, but whatever. It wasn't that hard to install and everything. The one thing I did notice was, if you do put it there, you're gonna have to like cut into your hood. I don't really care, but whatever. So this is what it sounds like without the horns on. But I'll hook the horns up and I'll show you. I really do like these horns. They're for what I got them, really extremely happy. Pretty loud too, for that they look good on my tractor too, real chrome and all. So here's what they sound like. That's what they sound like. So do I suggest everyone put in a horn on their tractor? I guess yeah, unless you like live in a crowded space and all, your neighbors will get pissed at you. So I like it on my tractor, gives it some personality and everything. So yeah, this is Cole Andy, and like and subscribe, and I'll have some more videos coming out soon.